All you'll need are some regular pliers and water pump pliers. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. You can ask someone to hold the dishwasher whilst it's slightly tilted back. For the purpose of this video, we're going to lean the dishwasher on its back. Just have some towels ready for any potential water. The 2 feet, or legs, are found here, but there are also holes at the rear of the machine for 2 more. Some dishwasher models also come with the 2 rear feet. The central foot is found here. The feet can be stiff to remove at first, so a pair of pliers can help loosen them. Rotate anti-clockwise to remove. Repeat on the other side if they both need replacing. Unpackage your new dishwasher feet. Place them in the base of the dishwasher and rotate clockwise. Use a pair of pliers to turn them easily and quickly. Make sure not to put them in all the way, as you need something for your water pump pliers to attach to when adjusting the height shortly. Now, with your water pump pliers, you can begin to twist both feet in the required direction to level the machine, clockwise to raise and anti-clockwise to lower. You'll also need to adjust the rear centre foot by using a flathead screwdriver, as shown here. And that's it. Your new dishwasher feet and legs are all set to go.